This winter, will you suffer from headaches, concentration problems, dry and cracked skin, itchy dry eyes or dry nose lining? Most likely, your house heating is over-drying your indoor air and causing all of these symptoms. That's why you need a Venta air washer. An air washer corrects air humidity by evaporation. Look, these discs act as collection plates, picking up water from the unit's reservoir. The dry room air moves over the plates and picks up moisture and then exits back into your room, correcting any dryness, leaving the air refreshed and invigorating. But here's where your air washer is superior to a plain humidifier or vaporizer. While it quietly humidifies, the discs trap any airborne bacteria, dirt and allergens from your room. Since these particles can't evaporate, only humidified and purified air is free to exit back into your room. So say goodbye to colds and cough bacteria transmission. Venta air washers give you perfect humidity, but with so much more. They never over-humidify. They don't use messy filters. They trap airborne bacteria. They don't produce white dust. And they're made in Germany, which is why an air washer lasts and lasts. For a lifetime, in fact. Venta air washer, the original patented by Venta in 1982.
True HEPA filtration is great for removing allergens such as dust, pollen, pet dander, and smoke from the air. We are filling this chamber with smoke while the air purifier is off. This real-time demo shows how effectively smoke can be removed from the air. Smoke is a great example because it's easily seen, and smoke particles are similar in size to other common allergens. Look how quickly it works! Imagine how well true HEPA filtration will remove allergens and dust from the air in your home.
Hello everyone! Today I just want to tell you guys about this amazing product which I got on Amazon. Usually people only have an air purifier or a humidifier, but this is a combination of both. The nice thing about this machine is that if you would like to use only the air purifying part, the humidifier tank is removable. This machine also has a function of low, medium, and high speed. You can also set the timer 2 hours, 4 hours, and 8 hours. It has a high light, low light, which you can use to see when it's dark, lights are out, so that's great. Also, you can't hear any noise from the machine when it's on the lowest level. so it would not disturb you during study, during sleep, during work. No noise level, which is brilliant. Now, I would like to tell you about the air purifier's filter. Easy to remove and replace the filter. This is a H13 HEPA filter, which is the highest level filter for home purification. This means that it can catch up to 99.97% of the air particles, which is great for families that have pets and all those things. So it's very safe to use with pets, very safe to use with children in the house, pregnant women. It is great. Another nice thing about this machine is that it has a built-in indicator which will remind you to change the filter when it has reached its limit. So yeah, go get yours.